Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another Turtleplays video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a B1 Battle Droid. I obviously think it did pretty good. Could definitely do better, but I need to get more videos out because it's really slow and it's about one a month. I kind of want to change that. I think it's been 2 months. But yeah, let's get right into this video. How to make a B1 Battle Droid. Hope you enjoy. As always, you can pause the video anytime to see the numbers, or I might put them. I should put them in captions at the bottom of the screen now. Hope you enjoyed. You can change anything you want. If you have any suggestions of voices I should do next, put them in the comments below. Thank you so much again. Hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so what you're going to need for this voice is a Robifier, wah-wah, reverb, double pitch, low pass, equalizer, and tremolo. And now for the numbers. For Robifier, you'll need a mix of 31, a modulator 1 at 54, modulator 2 at 0, and volume at 100. Moving on down for a wah-wah, you'll need a mix of 4, a frequency of 48, a type 21. Now for reverb, you'll need a mix of 13, and room size of 1. For double pitch, mix 1 at 53, pitch 1 at 60, humanizer off, mix 2 at 64, pitch 2 58, humanizer again off. And for pitch, you'll need a mix of 100 and pitch of 63, humanizer off. For low pass, you'll need a mix of 100 and a frequency of 71. Equalizer, you'll need a mix of 63, low frequency of 62, gain low frequency 28, mid frequency 64, gain mid frequency 54, high frequency 69, gain high frequency 70. And for tremolo, you'll need a mix of 1 and a velocity of 2. That's all you'll need for this. It's a decently long one. Kind of complicated, not really. Doesn't sound very good, but let's go on to the testing, and you can determine for yourself how bad it is. Yeah, let's go.
Roger. Ah, what does he look like? Look, a little green life form. I just got promoted. We're tracking 3 Republic cruisers. What should we do? Your circuits are loose. No one's crazy enough to do that. That was impressive. I'll go give him the good news. Do we take prisoners? Isn't it good if the base is destroyed?
Alright, well that was the B1 Battle Droid. It doesn't sound too accurate to a B1 Battle Droid, but it's as close as I was able to get. Of course, you can change anything you want. You can change the settings around. Have any suggestions of what you want me to do again? Put them in the comments below. If you know this video, don't forget to like it. If you didn't, don't like it. Whatever. See you all in the next one. Hope you enjoy it again. Goodbye.